Hello, here is an image we will take there. So add up around it. Then we are going to make the razor tool used on it. So how we can do this, I will show you in this video tutorial. First of all, we will remove that, take that eagle design, embed image there, pick up that image over it, spread over the shape, made it fixed. So there is a clipping mask we have there. Thank you for watching.